Hi, this is Matt Demetrician of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending February 26th of 2021. It was an ugly week for the markets as a rise in long-term rates spooked investors by fueling valuation concerns, especially among mega-cap growth stocks. The S&P 500 fell 2.5%, with the Dow performing slightly better, down only 1.8%. The Nasdaq composite was impacted the most, retreating by nearly 5%. Small caps were down comparably to large as the Russell 2000 index re-rated lower by 2.9%. In his semi-annual testimony before Congress, Fed Chairman Powell addressed rising long-term rates, saying higher growth and inflation expectations were driving yields higher. He added that it could take 3 years or longer for the economy to hit the Fed's inflation goal. Despite the dovish tone, increasing rates were enough to change risk sentiment and drive some profit taking. Within the S&P 500, 10 of the 11 sectors finished down, led by utilities, consumer discretionary, and technology. The energy sector, however, rallied alongside oil prices, finishing the week up over 4%. On a technical basis, the S&P 500 briefly dipped below its 50-day moving average on Friday before closing above it. The 10-year yield spiked above 1.61% intraweek, a level that actually exceeded the 1.51% dividend yield on the S&P 500. The 10-year yield ultimately settled at 1.46% to close out the week, up 11 basis points. The 2-year Treasury yield finished at a yield of 0.13%. In other markets, West Texas crude oil topped $60 a barrel, closing at $61.66, up 4.5%. The dollar edged higher in response to higher long-term rates, while gold dipped to $1,733 a troy ounce, a decline of 2.8%. That concludes the week in review for the week ending February 26th of 2021. Thanks, stay safe, and enjoy your week.